Scaling up your operations using mobile and cloud brings serious challenges with it: security, compliance, integration, global coverage, and internal readiness. And choosing the right fit for your business is a vital decision. Sunil Jagani is President and Chief Technology Officer for the IT consulting company AllianceTek, Inc.
Using the mobile and the cloud technology, an organization can really be able to reach out to their customers, provide a whole new set of services, empower their employees in a whole different level using this wonderful global reaching technologies. They need to integrate their mobile and cloud solutions with their legacy systems. They need to make sure that they're very much clear on their data security aspect, because now their data is leaving their organization. They have to make sure that their people are on board with this new way of doing things, because now all of a sudden you are becoming a 24/7 customer services operation. Your customers are connecting with you from anywhere and at all times. So your business processes have to change. Your business processes that used to live within the silos of your enterprise applications are now being extended to the world of cloud and mobile.
The optimum path for a business looking to scale up is to use a technology to grow their brand, but the possible choices available in the marketplace are huge and far-reaching. How do companies choose?
Organizations should start with asking this basic fundamental question: that are we adopting, going down this path as building a competitive edge for the organization, or is it more of an operational support technology that we are going to use it because everyone else is using it, our competitors are using it? If that's the case, then yes, you can use off-the-shelf, lots of apps, applications available out there. But if you're going to use it to really build a competitive advantage, you're going to connect with your customers in a unique way. You're going to empower your employees who are in the office, out of the office, to really provide a customized experience to your prospects and clients. Then you will want to consider creating a unique solution for your company. A lot of the times what we have seen is companies do start off with an off-the-shelf solution, but pretty soon they grow out of it. And now the time and the money and everything they've invested in that off-the-shelf solution has to be now ported to something that fits their company, that fits their organization, that really brings out the uniqueness. The most important value of mobile and cloud is personalization. It brings unbelievable personalization to your end clients. You can provide a unique value to your clients or to within your organization. And most of the off-the-shelf solutions are built for the masses. So you kind of lose that advantage in there.
So the off-the-shelf option gets you in the game, but it doesn't really optimize the opportunities.
Yeah, absolutely.
Change, whether technological, process-based or organizational, can be a cause for concern. People generally fear the unknown. What are the key considerations for successfully addressing the cultural implications of a mobile-first, cloud-first enterprise? How do you bring the people with you?
Start with the data security concerns. They are real, but if you define them, you can address them and you can work with them. Because the mobile-first, cloud-first phenomena also kind of leads itself into the bring your own device world. So you are enabling people to use your own devices to do their jobs effectively. And that you want to encourage within the company rather than discourage. Tell have people work in new ways, new capabilities, and encourage that kind of interaction or policies. The other considerations are, with the mobile world, customer expects to be interacting with you on a 24/7 cycle. So you have to be your company's perspective and the company's involvement with the client. They have to keep that perspective in mind. That you could you have to be able to, for example, make some of the basic capabilities or some of the most often used capabilities, like, hey, what's my balance, or let me purchase something, or here's an issue that I would like to report. Those kind of things, you would open the door for a 24/7 ability to react to it on a 24/7 basis. The other thing is your mobile proficiency. Mobile proficiency becomes a key mark of a progressive enterprise. So that if your mobile app is outdated, or you are not leveraging the capabilities of the cloud, then your customers may look at you as a company who is not keeping up with the trends.
So the key, obviously, with making these changes is having the skills within your company to do them. And quite often the subject matter experts in the companies don't have the skilled personnel outside of their core competency to do that. So then they work with a partner, which obviously has benefits and pitfalls.
Before, it used to be easy. When you develop a web application, as long as it works on the leading browsers, you're good to go. You don't have to write too much specific code or develop separate applications for each browser. It used to be just IE, or just, hey, as long as the application worked on Windows platform, you're okay with it. Now it's changing. Now you have to make sure that you develop application for the iOS platform, Android platform, Windows platform. Your application should work in the leading web browsers. So what happens is, slowly we're moving away from the ability that the organization would have internal capabilities. We have to sort of move from the age of hiring what I call superheroes or superhero consultants, to hiring a global village where you have the right mix of teamwork available and you have the right team. So when you're hiring a technology partner, make sure that they have end-to-end. They have the right business solutions architects. They have the right business analysts, project managers, people who are proficient in Android development, iOS development, who have a good web-based development capabilities, hosting, cloud. If the solution is hosted in the cloud, they should have a proficiency in the cloud as well.
What are the trends and the changes that you are most excited about, say, over the next year in technology and its advances?
The trends that I see that are becoming more apparent is personalization. Traditionally, we develop solutions to customize the needs of individual organizations. Now we are developing solutions to customize the needs of individual customers within organizations, individual employees in the company, and very integrating well with your vendors. And the technology like big data, cloud, internet, mobile, all of those are enabling that trend that gives really true personalization at a individual level.
For more fantastic interviews directly related to your business, be sure to explore Meet the Boss TV.